Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Shibuya, Cosi is a charming souvenir shop where visitors can find unique clothing and trinkets that capture the essence of Tokyo. This delightful store offers an array of items that make for perfect gifts or mementos of your trip, all while showcasing the lively spirit of Japanese culture. Cosi is a hidden gem located in the bustling district of Shibuya, known for its eclectic mix of shops, eateries, and vibrant nightlife. As you step inside this quaint souvenir shop, you'll be greeted by an inviting atmosphere filled with an array of colorful merchandise that reflects the rich culture of Japan. Please like, share, and subscribe. The store specializes in unique souvenirs, including traditional Japanese clothing, quirky accessories, and other delightful trinkets that you won't find in typical tourist spots. Whether you're looking for a thoughtful gift or a special keepsake for yourself, Cosi offers plenty of options to choose from. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. The shop is conveniently located near the famous Shibuya crossing, making it an ideal stop for tourists exploring the area. The friendly staff is always ready to assist you in picking the perfect item, and their passion for Japanese culture is evident in the carefully curated selection. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Moreover, the prices are reasonable, allowing you to indulge in a shopping spree without breaking the bank. If you find yourself in Shibuya, make sure to include Cosi on your itinerary for an authentic shopping experience that encapsulates the essence of Tokyo. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Cosi's operating hours are designed to accommodate both daytime and evening visitors, making it easy to swing by any time during your adventures in Shibuya. So, whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, this souvenir shop promises a memorable experience filled with unique finds and warm hospitality. Thank you for watching.